We welcome all of you in today's grand event.
Grand? That's too small.
Gala event?
No. So let's call it mega event.
Well, Ashish San, that's indeed a mega welcome. वो कहते हैं ना, जब आगाज ऐसा है तो अंजाम क्या होगा?
I'm your host Soumya Mishra.
And I'm Rimchim Dubey.
And we will host today's event.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, it's cherished tradition to begin every auspicious occasion with the lighting of the ceremonial lamp, a beautiful symbol of wisdom, knowledge and humility. Let us now take a moment to honor this tradition and illuminate the path of light with positivity. Well, wow, what an amazing start to this event. But Soumya, this time the event is mega event because our organizing team has worked tremendously hard to put something exclusive and unique for all of you. Well, as they say, when you connect with a purpose, when you communicate with clarity, and when you collaborate with trust, we just don't work together, we grow together.
I think now it's the perfect time to welcome some fantastic leaders and presenters one by one. So shall we do that?
Let's do it. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let me take this opportunity to welcome on the stage the Managing Director of Suzuki Motorcycle India, Mr. Kenichi Umeda. As we believe, quality is never a coincidence. It is always a result of the intelligent efforts. With this in mind, it is my great pleasure to welcome on stage a leader who is visionary, Mr. Daisuke Ochada, Director Quality Assurance, and Mr. Sanjay Chaudhary, Vice President Quality Assurance. So now everyone, we have something really exciting coming up for all of you. What you're going to witness here, that is entertainment and gala night. But before that, Soumya, एक बहुत ही famous dialogue है. That फिल्में सिर्फ तीन चीजों की वजह से चलती हैं. The movies work only because of three things: entertainment, entertainment, and entertainment. So now, our successful event also requires entertainment.
For sure.
So what are we waiting for this time to appreciate the hard work? And let's do it all together here. Are you excited? Are you ready?
Can we have a huge round of applause and request Takashi Ise-san to please come on stage to felicitate our awardees. Moving ahead, we need more energy in the house. Everybody, come on!
Soumya, वो कहते हैं ना कि मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती हैं जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, बुलंद हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. Together we are marching towards the path of success. Always remember, the only place where success comes before work is in the dictionary. Right? Well now, once Suzuki, the award goes to Maruti Suzuki India Limited IT Application Transformation Division. With the right mindset, these are the achievers who have proved us. They have proved the metal in this industry that they are here. They are here to rule, they are here to dominate. Lots of networking, lots of laughter, lots of memories, lots of ideas exchange over these tables here. We have seen some amazing people exchanging ideas, innovation towards the path of success. I have learned that people will forget what you said. People will forget what you did, but people will never forget that how you made them feel. So Suzuki, we will make sure that you will feel more enthusiastic and more fun by the end of the event.
So, is done, and now it's time to make sure that all of you are absolutely entertained.